It's finally happening. Samsung has officially begun rolling out the stable version of One UI 7 based on Android 15. After months of anticipation, rumors, and a whole lot of waiting, users are now starting to receive the latest update. And no, this isn't just another leak or beta tease. This is the real deal. Nearly 4 months after Samsung launched the One UI 7 beta program with the Galaxy S24 series, the stable update is now ready to roll out. But for now, it's limited to beta users only. Still, this marks a major milestone and the beginning of a wider rollout that many Galaxy users have been eagerly awaiting. So, who's getting the update first? The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are leading the pack. Alongside them, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are also receiving the official update. This means that if you own any of these 2024 flagships and were part of the beta testing program, you can now expect a small, over-the-air update with all the stable enhancements. If you're a regular user, especially in South Korea or parts of Europe, the update might take a little longer to appear and could be a larger download with all the finalized features and performance boosts. Interestingly, while the S24 FE belongs to the same family, it hasn't been included in this first wave of updates. That's a bit of a surprise, but it looks like Samsung is spacing things out. On the other hand, the region-exclusive Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is getting the update right alongside the Z Fold 6, showing that Samsung is being quite selective with its release strategy. As for the new features, most of what we saw debut with the Galaxy S25 series is being brought to the S24 and other 2024 flagships. That means a ton of visual refinements, improved animations, better privacy tools, smarter system functions, and more. However, one standout feature, Audio Eraser, will remain exclusive to the 2024 flagships. If you're using an older device, don't expect to see this tool show up in your settings. Now, if your phone isn't in the initial batch, don't worry. Samsung is planning to roll out the update to more devices soon. By the end of April, we should see the Galaxy S23 series, S23 FE, S24 FE, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup getting the stable One UI 7 update. Then in May, things start to pick up pace with a wider range of eligible devices. This includes the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, the Tab S9 lineup, the S23 FE, Z Fold 3, and Flip 3, Galaxy A34, A35, the entire Galaxy S22 series, the Tab S8 lineup, the Galaxy S21 series, and even some mid-range and budget devices like the A16, Quantum 5, and Quantum 4. And if your device still isn't listed, you might be part of the June rollout. That includes the Tab S9 FE series, Galaxy A73, A53, A33, A25, A24, A15, and more region-specific models like the Quantum 3, Jump 3, Buddy 3, and tablets like the Tab A9, Tab A9 Plus, and the rugged Tab Active series. For those wondering how to get the update, it's pretty simple. Once the update is available in your region, go to Settings, then go to Software Update, then click Download and Install. It's always a good idea to back up your data first, just to be safe. If you're comfortable flashing firmware manually, Android 15 builds will also be added to the SamMobile firmware archive in the coming days. As always, the rollout varies from region to region and even carrier to carrier. Some lucky users in Europe may see the update within hours, while others in the US might have to wait a week or more. Samsung's rollout timelines are known to shift, so try to be patient even if the update doesn't land on your phone right away. Of course, there's still uncertainty for a lot of mid-range and older models. Samsung hasn't confirmed exact dates for every eligible device, and we all know how these schedules tend to slip. But if everything goes as currently planned, the majority of Samsung's active user base should be running Android 15 with One UI 7 by early summer. In the midst of all this, let's not forget that Samsung is already working on the next generation of foldables, Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, rumored to launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16. It's a reminder that the tech world never stands still, and while we're celebrating One UI 7 now, the next big thing is already around the corner. Until then, if your phone is eligible, keep an eye out for that update notification. One UI 7 brings a fresh coat of paint, smarter features, and better performance to your Galaxy device. The wait is finally over. Well, at least for some of us.